Don't fall, fat ass.
Yeah, so this is Scott. It's my bike check. Starting off up here, usual Odyssey Barnes. Sexy. Got some ODI long necks. Got some Demolition open V2 bars, 8.5 high, 27 wide. I got the Sunday Freeze top load stem, 52 millimeter each. I don't know what type of top cap I got, but it's with my fork. My headset, it's half sealed, half integrated. The deal with it is I broke one of sealed bearing, so I had to ghetto rig it, but it's fine and styled, all that. Then, my fork is the Eastern 8 of Spades. My front wheel is Odyssey. It's an Odyssey hub laced with shadow spokes and nipples. It's an Odyssey hazard light rim. Sturdy, fuck. Shadow axle nuts. Canter! Shadow axle nuts. Right here I got a Odyssey JPEG. This slide really good. Yeah. My tires all around are Odyssey Aaron Ross signature tires. They're 2.10. They're keyboard tires. Pretty nice. For my frame, I got it 2011 DK generally. For my pedals, I have Odyssey JCPC. My cranks, Stolen Mob cranks. My bottom bracket is mechanic. Then over on this side, I got my Odyssey 28T $1 million sprocket. Got a mechanic, half track, white chain, pretty nice. Yeah, look at that. Got a 10 tooth. I'm running 2810. My seat is a Shadow Crow seat. It's pretty cushion. I like cushion seats. Feels good when I fall and all that. I got a Primo post. I slam it. I like it when it's low out of my way. Got the Sunday Slim seat clamp. Pretty nice. Clampy, I guess. My back wheel is my favorite part in my entire bike. I'll say my peg first. I got an Odyssey JPEG with G-Sport ratchet hub guard. And I got a G-Sport ratchet hub. It says G-Sport ratchet over here. It's a 10 tooth, like I said. It's pretty nice. I got a proper rim laced with shadow spokes and nipples to this hub. And it says vanilla right there because Cody Anderson thinks he's badass and he did that. Well, he's pretty badass, but still. And then I got another Odyssey Aaron Ross 2.10 tire, and I'm pretty sure I covered everything. I don't think I missed anything. Well, that's my bike check. Rate, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Oh yeah, one thing, I'll do a hub sound. That's it. There should be more videos, and yeah, that's it. See ya.